Hello guys, my name is Madhur and welcome to my channel. This is the 13th tutorial in this series of tutorials on Unix shell scripting. Now in this tutorial we're going to check out the cut command. Cut, just like sort, is used for filtering text, and well, let me first create a text file and then I'll demonstrate to you what cut is used for. I'm going to use cat command and I'm going to create a file called players. And what I'm going to do in this file is I'm going to create well, it's going to be some sort of a table, and I'm basically going to have three columns in it. The first column is going to have name, the next column is going to have sport, and the next column is going to have age. That's going to be the final column, and in the next line I'm going to just input name of some players I know. So Roger Federer, he plays tennis and his age is what, 30. Rafael Nadal again, type in his full name. He too plays tennis and his age is 25. He's 5 years younger, and I made a typo, an error in his name. Nadal fans wouldn't like that. And next I'm gonna put in Tiger Woods. He plays golf and he is what, 37 years old. Well, the ages don't have to be correct, I'm just typing in whatever's coming to my mind. Michael Phelps. This dog is really annoying me. I really need to do something about this. Okay, so this guy, he is a swimmer, and I wonder whether he's going to contest in 2012 Olympics or not. I have no information, but I would want to know. He's 27 years old, and lastly I put in Kobe Bryant because he's been in news. He plays basketball and he is 34 years old. So that's it. My file is ready. I'm gonna press Ctrl D and I'll see how my file looks by typing in cat players, and there you go. I have my data organized under three columns. The first is name, the second is sport, and the last one is age. Roger Federer plays tennis, his age is 30, and Kobe Bryant plays basketball and his age is 34. Wow. Now we are going to see what cut can be used for. Suppose if I just want to see from this file, if I just want to see the name of the player and his age, if I do not want to know the sport that he plays, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to use cut, and the default delimiter that cut sees in a file is the tab character. So that's what it uses as a separator. So if I have Roger space Federer, then it would treat Roger and Federer as items or entities in two different cells. But in this file we don't have tab as the character as a separator. We have a hyphen as a delimiter, as you must have noted when I created the file. You can basically have any character, any alphabet, hyphen, a colon or a semicolon, or even a comma if you want. If you have a CSV file that is a comma separated value file, then you will have a comma as your delimiter. So what we would first have to do is we would have to inform cut that in this case our delimiter is not a tab but something else, and for that we'll have to use the option -d. So I'll type in -d, and in double quotes I'll type in the character that I have used as a delimiter, which in this case is a hyphen. There you go. The next thing is I want to cut out fields from my files, right? So I'll type in -f, which would mean that I want to extract the field, and then I'll have to type in the numbers of the fields in my files that I want to view. So if I just want to see the names and let's say the ages, so I would have to type in 1,3. We have just three fields in our file. One is name, the second is sport, and the third is age. If you had more, then you could have listed more here, but I'm just gonna filter out name and age, so 1,3, and then you have to type in the name of the file that you want to cut through, which is players. If I press enter, then I see that I get the name, age as the first row. The second row displays Roger and 30 as his age. the next row displays Rafael Nadal in 25, and the last one displays Kobe Bryant in 34. And you can see that the second field, which was of sport, is not being displayed. But if I want to see just the sport field and not the name and the age field, then I can just type in -F2 players. If I would press enter, then I can see that I just have my sports field, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows, and this basically does not tell you anything, but it comes from the same file players. So there you go. That's one application of cut. We'll be discussing cut for sure in detail when we get to shell programming, but this should get you started, and you can explore on your own if you want. You can search for options that come with cat, and you can also see its help page or the man page. We haven't spoken about the man command yet, but I will be doing that in one of the near tutorials. So thank you for watching this one, and hope to see you in the next tutorial, and please subscribe to my channel.